Hello and welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to apply foundation step by step. I've already primed my skin with skincare, so the next step is using a foundation primer. Today's foundation primer is by Mercier. I'm using about a nickel-sized amount of product, and I'm going to evenly distribute this over my entire face. Now, for those of you that don't use a primer, this is going to really set the canvas for that beautiful, flawless skin underneath your foundation. It's going to smooth any fine lines, any large pores, and really help your foundation stay in place all day. Today's foundation is by Too Faced. I'm using Born This Way in shade Warm Nude, and I'm applying it with the Mint Pear Flat Top Kabuki brush. This is a velvety, soft, very dense foundation brush, and I'm going to use 2 pumps. You want to evenly distribute the product all over your face, and then gently you're going to take the brush and in a downward, soft, gentle motion, blend the foundation into your skin. This is a great way for you to get wonderful coverage really quickly with this brush, and you don't get product all over your hands. You're not going to waste product. And it's very easy for anyone to do, really. If you're starting with makeup or you're advanced in makeup, this is a preferred method because you get such a flawless, beautiful coverage, and it's very even. You can go over your ears, down onto your neck very easily. And again, you don't get any product on your hands, and you can decide where you would like more coverage. If you need more coverage, you can take this brush and just apply a little bit more product and go back over that area. Because you only have a certain amount of time before your foundation really settles into your skin, you want to do this process fairly quickly, and this brush really enables you to do that because you can easily distribute the product very quickly before the foundation has settled into your skin. And there you have it. Now, after we have applied foundation, you can move on to the next step, which I'm going to show you how to apply concealer on top of your foundation. Today I'm using Shape Tape by Tarte, and I am using the shade Light Sand. And I'm going to blend it out with that same flat top kabuki brush by Mint Pear. This brush is so gentle and so soft that it can easily go under my eye without any irritation, and look at the beautiful, flawless coverage that you get so quickly. It really marries the concealer and the foundation together so well. Following foundation and concealer, a very important step is using a setting powder. Today I'm going to use the Mercier translucent setting powder, and I'm going to show you how you can set your foundation and your concealer in place. I'm using the large powder brush by Mint Pear, and I'm going to dust off the excess into the lid of the product, and I'm going to go under my eyes and over my entire face with a light layer of this translucent setting powder. This is going to keep my foundation in place all day long, and it's also going to help my foundation from settling into my lines, and it's really just going to give you that beautiful, poreless, flawless coverage that you're looking for with foundation. And there you have it. This is how to apply foundation using a flat top kabuki brush, as well as concealer, and setting your foundation and concealer in place with a setting powder. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Be sure to subscribe to my channel for more videos like this, and turn on that notification bell so that you know when new videos are live on my channel. Have a beautiful day, and I will see you in my next video. Take care.